Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be creating Pikachu from Pokemon.
Here I'm just creating a simple armature, just using paper and aluminum foil. Then I'm covering with tape. I don't recommend using this blue tape. I'm seeing that the color is getting out and you can see it on the clay. So I would recommend using a different tape. I'm putting a small coat of clay, working here on the shape, giving the figurine the different shapes. And now working on the mouth. I have done different versions of Pikachu in the past. You can see some of them in my different social media, such as Facebook or Instagram. Working on the nose, the eyes. I do different creations during the week. I don't do a video for all of them, so if you want to see other things that I'm working on, you can follow me on different social media, such as Facebook or Instagram. The red cheeks. And the final details for the eyes. Now working on the ears. I'm using a small wire. This is a bendable clay, so in places that I put a wire, I can later on bend it and it will maintain the shape. I didn't use a wire for the arms, so the bad thing is that they will not maintain the shape. They will still be bendable, but they won't maintain the new shape. But the ears and the tail, they can take different shapes. So for the tail I use a wire, so you will be able to see that when I move the tail, it maintains the form. Adding here the feet. And it's almost done. Now it's ready for baking. Now that it's baked, you can see that it has different defects. For finishing, I'm just carving the different details and sanding it so it gets smooth and with a better finish. So as you can see here, you have a different colors once I do the sanding. But now with applying nail polishing remover, that will fix the color. It will get the same color that it had before. So you can see now that it's very smooth. It has a way better finish and the details are more sharp. I like it now. It looks very nice. And thank you for watching me creating Pikachu from Pokemon. Pika Pika! Pika Pika!